Hi, I'm going to show you two different ways of doing the top radius of the pattern. If we lay it, this is just a mock-up. The tricky part that a lot of people struggle with is the change of direction, because this would be one piece there, another piece there. That is one piece of fabric. That's another. So where the direction changes like this is the part that people struggle with. You need to keep your lines totally flat. So if we pulled the pattern down and we were on the boat, there's our highest edge over there. That would keep your roof flat. Then you've got this part over here that starts puckering because you're changing direction. Now there's two ways that you can do that. You can either put your double-sided, and also when I do my boat covers, I've always done one full pattern, never little sections and bits and pieces. It's always one complete pattern, and you eliminate the problem of going to and from the boat. So this way we could cut up along that line and we flap that over, or if it was a windy day or you had weather issues and you didn't necessarily want to be cutting pieces that are going to flap about, the little trick is you pull that part straight over there. You've got your straight bit over there, and then all you would literally do, pinch that, create a dart. You would tape that off, so you've got that little bit of a dart over there, and it goes to 0 on the seam. So that's the one way of doing it, and you would mark that accordingly. That, and when you've cut on your pattern through there and through there, when you lay that flat, you put a bit of duct tape over that and it flattens it out. So you can either do it that way or get it as flat as what you can, like that. And then we put a slit in the pattern material. This would obviously be going right down to the bottom of the boat, so we would be going up like that, and just continue that around until where you can see you've got a bit of puckering over there, right on the very edge of that. If you do happen to go a little bit too far, you can just put a bit of tape just to give you something to grip on. And that's how you would get your shape for your panel, like that. So that would be one panel that changes direction. So we would be putting, I'll just show you quickly, that would be changing direction going down to the windscreen. So we would take that and we would do exactly the same thing. We'd wrap that over there to form another flat panel.